mabuhay. Mayong gabi sa tanan akong kahigalaan. Nasa church ko, guys. Currently attending to our monthly care group. At the same time, at this moment, we are going to take our dinner, family dinner, and at the same time, my birthday. Pastor, ikaw mag-pray. Sige na, doon ka.
Awit. Hazel. Ano si Hazel? Hazel daw, awit.
Handa, awit. Bayang magiging.
Para magtayo lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Doc Freds. Birthday ni Dr. Ana. Kasama sa church.
To you.
Happy birthday!
Bless you.
May the Lord God
Bless you.
may the Lord God, may the Lord
Happy birthday!
May the Lord God bless you.
Cheers for you. Grabe ka, Soy.
Blow!
Ano ang speech mo?